everybody? It's Danny from Griswold Family Vacay, and we are here right outside of Hochatown, Oklahoma, Beavers Bend State Park, at a cabin called Up a Creek. Up a Creek. So we're going to take you guys on the tour of the outside, then we'll take you guys on a tour of the inside. This was a Christmas gift for myself and the boys from Kimberly. So we're going to be spending 3 nights here, and so we're really excited for it. Thank you very much, Kimberly, for this awesome surprise. We also spent last night at the Endangered Elephant Society here in Oklahoma. Another awesome cabin. And then yesterday we got to go to see some awesome tiger sanctuary. So there's videos on that as well, so make sure you check those out as well, guys. But without further ado, let's go take a look at the Up a Creek cabin. Alright, so first and foremost, here's a view of the outside of the cabin. I'll take another video or some shots of the cabin at night from the outside as well. But got this gravel lot. It's a 2-story cabin. So I think the reason it's called Up a Creek or By a Creek or whatever it's called is because if you look right here, right on the side of a cabin, running parallel with the cabin, is a creek. Really nice. This is my most favorite part of Oklahoma to visit, to be outdoors in nature, is southeast Oklahoma, around the Hochatown, Beavers Bend State Park area. Beautiful, beautiful place. Alright, so then out here, we've got a buoy. Swim at your own risk. I guess you can go down there and swim if you chose to, if you wanted to. So that's cool. Here's our fire pit. Oh man, that's amazing. Very cool fire pit. Very nice. Chairs. And then something else I really like, that we have a hammock as well. That's cool. That's awesome. Here's where the wood is, right here. We'll take a look upstairs on the deck, see what all's up there. Up a creek, yep. First thing you guys notice as you come upstairs to the right, really nice hot tub. Very cool, very cool. Again, I'm not sure on the price of this. Kimberly, like I said, Kimberly got it for us as a present for Christmas, so better off not asking. Really cool sign here, Up a Creek. You got a little dining table here, outdoor patio table. Really nice, full-size propane grill. Very nice, very nice. Then you've got some handmade Up a Creek cornhole boards. Some USA cornhole boards. You got this nice sitting area. Very, very nice outdoor sitting area with a fireplace and a TV, really good size TV. Again, guys, this is all just outdoors. This is just on the balcony, so pretty amazing. Pretty cool. Not sure what that is. Some hooks, hang some things up. And then here's just the wrapper. It's a wraparound patio. And this is the first floor patio. I believe there's a patio on the second floor as well, so we'll go take a look at that. Some chairs. Very nice. Full wraparound patio. welcome. There's Landon. Say hi.
Hi.
And they got this whole place decked out for Christmas. So when
Dad.
Yeah.
By the way, if we do need a shovel for that whatever it's called,
They have one?
we have one. It's in there. It's out there.
That works. It's talking about going geocaching later, so we'll see. Hopefully we get to. First thing you see is you walk into the main door on the left.
First thing you see is to the right. It's a pet hotel.
First thing you see is to the right. It's a pet hotel. Little built into the bottom of the stairs, place for dogs, cats. Pretty cool.
Mostly dogs.
Mostly dogs, probably. So that's pretty neat. Like a built-in kennel, almost. That's pretty neat. So I'm guessing that this cabin is indeed pet friendly. I'm not sure the cost to have the pet per night or the pet fee, but I know for sure there is. Pets are allowed. So here's the kitchen. Really nice fridge, refrigerator, freezer. Stove, very nice stove. Plenty of counter space, as you guys can see here. Very nice. Look like you got a marble island. Countertops. Full-size deep sink. Really nice as well. And dishwasher. Microwave right here. Kind of a cool place for a microwave. There's a dining room table. Nice chandelier light. Christmas tree. Here's the living room. Right here. Living room area. TV, fireplace. And then keep going to the right, go straight. You've got a nice king size bed here. Mirror, this is I guess the master bedroom. Nice dressers.
This is yours, right?
Here's a look at some of the decor. Yeah. Nice little fireplace looking thing right there. And then back behind this wall is the bathroom. Full-size walk-in shower. Really nice. Little place to sit, bench. You got dual sinks. Very nice. Countertops. And here's your throne. Do your business. And then here's like a bathtub. Looks pretty cool. So that is a tour of the first floor. You got a dual washer dryer combo, so that's nice. And then this door takes you back out to the patio. So that's the first floor of the cabin. Now let's go take a look at the second floor. Country road, take me home. Home is wherever we are together. Very nice. Amen to that. Alright, so here we are, the second floor. First thing you see is a really nice full-size pool table. Then over here in this little nook, you got a couple of twin-size beds. Then over here you've got a full-size bed. Landon laying down. What are you doing? You've got a really nice TV up here. Some Tom and Jerry action going on, looks like. And you've got a little bar area. Really nice. And you've got, I don't know what game this is. Pac-Man, maybe? Different games on it. Looks like it needs to be plugged in. And then a little nightstand. Place for the pool sticks. Some really cool Route 66 signs. Pretty neat. And here's the upstairs bathroom. Your sink, toilet, and your shower. So that concludes our tour, full tour of the inside and outside of the Upper Creek cabin, Hochatown, Oklahoma.